Do you want to know why you're not retaining acupuncture clients in your traditional Japanese acupuncture and moxibustion practice? Stay tuned because today we're diving deep into this topic and how you can transform your client retention rates. Hey everyone, I'm Maya Suzuki, your host here on ShinKyu University. This channel is all about traditional Japanese acupuncture and moxibustion. And if you're passionate about learning more, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for future updates. Now let's get into the real reason why you might be struggling to keep your acupuncture clients coming back for more. I've been practicing traditional Japanese acupuncture and moxibustion for over 15 years, and I started this journey in Japan at Acura Acupuncture Clinic under the mentorship of Dr. Joe. I've built a successful practice from the ground up, and now I mentor other practitioners through ShinKyu University. My passion is helping others transition from TCM, traditional Japanese medicine, ensuring they have the knowledge, techniques, and confidence they need to survive and thrive. Don't just take my word for it. Here's what some of my students have to say about their experiences.
I don't know if this is just me personally or my learning style or my personality, but I think without having considering this continued education, I don't think without structured continued education, I would even be doing this still.
But it was just putting all the pieces that I wanted from acupuncture were like in your group. And so I was like, I guess this is the road, this is the door that's opening, and I should do that. So I followed my heart, and I'm glad I did.
With that said, let's talk about the real reason you might be struggling to keep your acupuncture clients coming back: a lack of confidence. The biggest reason many practitioners struggle with client retention isn't just about their technique or the quality of their treatments. It's about the confidence that they have in it. A lack of confidence often stems from gaps in your knowledge and an incomplete understanding of the medicine, inconsistent learning, and inconsistent practice. This uncertainty can permeate to every aspect of your practice. And when you're not confident, it shows. It makes you hesitant to talk about your practice or promote it, and it can lead to difficulties in treating complex cases because you're unsure of the best approach. Here are 3 strategies to help build your confidence and retain your clients. First, commit to consistent learning. Seek out continuous education and mentorship in traditional Japanese acupuncture and moxibustion. Regularly updating your knowledge and refining your techniques will help you close those gaps and boost your confidence. Second, practice makes perfect. The more you practice your techniques, the more confident you'll become. It's simple math. Don't just rely on what you've learned in school. Immerse yourself in the real-world applications and hands-on experience of traditional Japanese medicine. Find opportunities to observe and learn from experienced practitioners. Make sure these practitioners are people that excite you with their practice and that they're willing to teach you. Third, create a supportive community. Surround yourself with other practitioners who are also dedicated to learning and improving. Share your experiences, ask questions, and support each other. This network can be an invaluable resource of encouragement and knowledge. By focusing on these strategies, you'll build your confidence, and in turn, your clients will feel more assured in your care. Confidence in your abilities will translate to better client relationships and higher retention rates. I'd love to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you face in retaining your clients in your traditional Japanese acupuncture and moxibustion practice? Comment below with your answer and let's get a discussion going and help each other out. Remember, transitioning from TCM to traditional Japanese acupuncture is more than just changing your techniques. It's about evolving your entire approach to the client care. If you're ready to take your practice to the next level, consider joining my mentorship program at ShinKyu University. In my mentorship, we dive deep into these strategies and more, helping you build a practice that's not only successful, but also fulfilling. And if you're interested, check the link in the description box below or comment apply below and I'll reach out with more details. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos about traditional Japanese acupuncture and moxibustion. And if you're interested in more tips on improving your practice, you're going to want to check out this video right over here. See you next time.